Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch, stock market research and investor. I'm also a cryptocurrency research and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth. My goal is very simple, that we can all become millionaires. I want us all to be rich. I want us all to live a comfortable life. I want us to avoid poverty and to achieve financial freedom. Today's topic is this: how to make 3K daily in cryptocurrency and how to make 1 million in a year. You see, cryptocurrency is very simple. What I tell people, that cryptocurrency is a market like any market. The normal market we have is you can buy mangoes, you can buy oranges. Yes, you can buy mangoes, you can buy oranges. And you can buy a mango at 10 shillings and sell at 15 shillings. That's a normal market. And also, we have stock market. We can buy a Safaricom at 25 and sell at 30. Then we have crypto. You can buy Bitcoin at 16K or 15K and sell at 20K and you make your money. So there are so many coins. There are so many coins that you can buy and sell. So then what you do is very simple. Take a coin, you can buy Ape coin at, let's say, $4. Then it goes up to $6 and you sell. Now, if you have some money, let's say 50,000 or 100,000, then you can be able to be buying those coins and selling them, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling as they rise. Now you can do that daily. And with a good capital, let's say 50,000 or 100,000, you can be making 3K. That is 3% of your money daily. Now, if you repeat this every day for 1 year, that is 365 days, you will have 1 million shillings. By the way, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, making 3,000 shillings daily and hoping to make 1 million shillings by the end of the year. This is what I believe in. And this is what I think will make everybody become a millionaire. The only problem is many people are not doing it. Many people are not doing it. And so in Kenya, we have a country where there are so many poor people and very few millionaires. And yet, you can make 3,000 shillings daily on Binance. I have classes I teach. I have books also on cryptocurrency. You can get your copy. This book I'm giving out for free. If you join the classes, this book is for free. The classes, I charge only $1 daily. So you can subscribe for a month, that is $30. You can subscribe for a year, that is $365 in a year. Come, learn cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and together let's make money. We can all become millionaires. I have a Telegram group. You can join our Telegram group. The group name is Stock Market Investing 101. Stock Market Investing 101. Call me. My number is 0720 969 361. Call me. Let's talk. Let's discuss stock market. Let's discuss cryptocurrency. Let's discuss how we can make 3K daily, 3,000 shillings daily on Binance, on cryptocurrency. Bye. See you in the next video.